Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic battle between two ASUS motherboards. On the left, we have the mighty ASUS Prime B550-PLUS, and on the right, we have the ASUS Prime B450M-A II AMD AM4. Get ready for an intense showdown. Let's kick things off with the most important factor for many of us, the price. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS comes in at $139, while the ASUS Prime B450M-A II is a steal at just $79. That's a $60 difference in your pocket if you go with the B450M-A II. Cha-ching! Now, let's talk about CPU compatibility. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS supports the latest Zen 3 Ryzen 5000 and 3rd General AMD Ryzen CPUs. It's like the perfect match made in CPU heaven. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime B450M-A II is compatible with Ryzen 5000, 3rd, 2nd, 1st General AMD Ryzen CPUs. It's no slouch either. Moving on to connectivity, the B550-PLUS takes the lead with its ultra-fast PCIe 4.0 x 16 safe slot and dual M.2 slots with PCIe 4.0 x 4 connectivity. It also has USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, HDMI 2.1, and Thunderbolt 3 header. Talk about future-proofing your rig. When it comes to keeping your motherboard cool, both contenders have got you covered. The B550-PLUS boasts a VRM heatsink, chipset heatsink, and hybrid fan headers. But don't count out the B450M-A II with its VRM and PCH heatsink and ASUS Fan Expert 2 Plus. Stay cool, my friends. Safety first, folks. The B550-PLUS and the B450M-A II both offer 5x Protection 3, including features like Langard, DRAM overcurrent protection, and overvoltage protection. Plus, they both have safe slot core safeguards and stainless steel back I/O. These motherboards are like Fort Knox for your precious components. Boosting memory performance is crucial for maximizing your system's potential. The B550-PLUS has ASUS Optimum proprietary trace layout, allowing memory kits to operate at higher frequencies with lower voltages. The B450M-A II, on the other hand, supports up to 128 GB DDR4 with 4400 OC performance. It's a memory powerhouse. According to online reviews, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS is praised for its performance, user-friendly design, and compatibility with the latest CPUs. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime B450M-A II is commended for its budget-friendly price, hassle-free build, and good quality. Both motherboards have positive reviews overall. And that's a wrap. Both the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the ASUS Prime B450M-A II are excellent choices, but it ultimately comes down to your needs and budget. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information and to make your purchase. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and remember to subscribe for more epic showdowns. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.